What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today's video I am actually going to be installing a spoiler. Not this kind of spoiler you guys probably think, like a Fast and the Furious. No, this is the EM1 SI replica spoiler. Got it on eBay for about 40 something dollars. Now I'm gonna show it to you guys. I just painted it and I'm not finished, so I'm gonna paint the whole thing and then I'm gonna be showing you guys an install. But for now, here's the progress on it. Got my little paint booth set up. Now this isn't the right paint code. I'm actually using this AutoZone stuff and it matches pretty well. I do plan on getting a paint job pretty soon, but I'm gonna do it myself, super budget DIY. And I'll get back to you when the install starts. Alright guys, now that the wing is all painted, I'm gonna go ahead and, if you can see that there's these two dots right here, these are actually for the OEM spoiler. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tap those. I got my drill and drill bit right here. Once I drill through those, I'm gonna make a third one, probably just in the center, because that's where the wire is gonna be going. And then I'm gonna be wiring those up to my brake lights right here. So let me get that drilled up real quick and I'll show you guys a little bit more. Okay guys, I finally got her all drilled up. I don't like drilling holes in my stuff, but I feel that this is actually worth it. Now what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be test fitting it, and if it fits well, then it's going to be permanently installed. I also went ahead and raised my car a bit because it was still a little too soft and still scraping. I have a little wheel gap, which I honestly don't mind, because I'm not going for that stance look, I'm going for that tracky look. Eventually I would like to go to the track sometime. But I think it looks a lot better now, and I bet you $1 million it's gonna ride better too, because I hate hearing that scrape. I cringe every time I hear that. It's just annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit this up, see how the wing looks, and then I'll show you guys. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully you guys like it. If not, well, you could dislike the video. But hopefully most of you guys are liking this build so far. It's super budget because, you know, I'm broke. If I could, I would do all original parts and, like, you know, quality parts. But that's not the case here. So see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, she is all mounted up and wired, and I am really surprised on how well the silver matches. Like, it's not permanent at all, but it matches really well. AutoZone does alright. Now I'm going to show you guys the brake light. I'm going to have to shove this on here because I don't have someone to push it for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right there. Now I believe, yeah, I got brakes now. Alright, check this out. All lit up. Look at that. Looks like my pedal fell off. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be, to be honest with you guys. It was way easier. It doesn't want to stay. But anyways, it was a lot easier than I thought. And if you guys are interested in doing this, the wiring is super easy. There's a black wire and a green wire with a white stripe. That's all you need. You just splice it right into those and it works. It's perfect, so easy. There's you can't get it wrong. There's one black wire, there's one green wire with a white stripe. So it's really easy. The drilling of holes is super easy too, because you got those little tabs that are on the trunk that are like meant for the spoiler. Super easy. I mean, the longest part was really painting, just because I had to let it sit and dry and all that. But Wow, I'm actually really impressed. So this came out really nice. I still have some side markers coming in, and if you guys are interested in seeing the side marker install, and if you don't know what side markers are, it's the little lights that'll go right here, little blinker lights. If you guys are interested in that, those will be coming in probably tomorrow or the day after. I'll be making a video on it. So if you guys like this, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you on the next one.